Alright guys, we're back at it. I'm gonna be tackling this module here. So oh yeah, there's just one thing that I'm missing and it is the uh I guess. Yeah. Um it's gonna be the VPN, potentially SSH. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, okay. We're connected now. Let's check out. Okay, let's join the room. This okay. Okay, so learning objectives, ahoy there. Okay, if you're here, you've either heard whispers of the marvels of PowerShell and want to discover more, or you've sailed over from the first room of the command line module. Yes, I have. Either way, you're about to embark on a journey to discover the marvels of this powerful shell, learning how to use it to uncover the secrets of any Windows system avast then on board. Okay, this is the second room in the command line module. It is an introductory room to PowerShell, the second only historically command line utility built for the Windows operating system. Learn what PowerShell is and its capabilities, understand the basic structure of PowerShell's language, learn and run some basic PowerShell commands, understand PowerShell's many applications in the cybersecurity industry. Okay, before you should have done this Windows 90 fundamentals, Windows command line. Okay, done that. So let's check out what is PowerShell, right? From the official Microsoft page, PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution made up of a command line shell, a scripting language, and a configuration management framework. Okay. PowerShell is a powerful tool from Microsoft designed for task automation and configuration management. It combines a command line interface and a scripting language built on the .NET framework. Unlike older text-based command line tools, PowerShell is object-oriented, which means it can handle complex data types and interact with system components more effectively. Initially exclusive to Windows, PowerShell has lately expanded to support macOS and Linux, making it a versatile option for IT professionals across different operating systems. Okay, a brief history of PowerShell. PowerShell was developed to overcome the limitations of existing command line tools and scripting environments in Windows. In the early 2000s, as Windows was increasingly used in complex enterprise environments, traditional tools like CMD.exe and batch files fell short in automating and managing these systems. Microsoft needed a tool that could handle more sophisticated administrative tasks and interact with Windows' modern APIs. Jeffrey Snover, a Microsoft engineer, realized that Windows and Unix handle system operations differently. Windows used structured data and APIs, while Unix treated everything as text files. This difference made porting Unix tools to Windows impractical. Snover's solution was to develop an object-oriented approach, combining scripting simplicity with the power of the .NET framework. Released in 2006, PowerShell allowed administrators to automate tasks more effectively by manipulating objects, offering deeper integrations with Windows systems. As IT environments evolved to include various operating systems, the need for a versatile automation tool grew. In 2016, Microsoft responded by releasing PowerShell Core, an open source and cross-platform version that runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Okay. The power in PowerShell. To fully grasp the power of PowerShell, we first need to understand what an object is in this context. In programming, an object represents an item with properties, characteristics, and methods, actions. For example, a car object might have properties like color, model, and fuel level, and methods like drive, honk, horn, and refuel. Similarly, in PowerShell, objects are fundamental units that encapsulate data and functionality, making it easier to manage and manipulate information. An object in PowerShell can contain file names, usernames, or sizes as data properties, and carry functions, methods, such as scoping a file or stopping a process. The traditional command shell's basic commands are text-based, meaning they process and output data as plain text. Instead, when a CMD-led, pronounced command-led, is run in PowerShell, it returns objects that retain their properties and methods. This allows for more powerful and flexible data manipulation since these objects do not require additional parsing of text. We will explore more about PowerShell CM commandlets, commandlets, and their capabilities in the upcoming sections. What do we call the advanced approach used to develop PowerShell? Object-oriented. Oh, it's just one word. What could it be? What do we call the advanced approach used to develop PowerShell? Um, Scripting, command line, what could it be? What do we call the advanced approach? Scripting. Object oriented. I guess that's it. Yeah. PowerShell Basics. Let's start the machine. Yep. Hooray. Okay. Before continuing on our PowerShell journey, let's connect to our lab environment. Press the start machine. Yeah. I started that. The advanced machine will split. Yeah, I don't want that. I want to connect directly through the VPN, which I've already done. Right. We're connected. Okay. Click on the applications marked with number 1. Oh, okay. You can follow successful to connect to the target the SSH using Bremina client. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's open this. Pop-up will be prompting for a password to unlock attacker. Click on cancel. To ignore the prompt, select the SSH. Yeah. Okay. Server machine IP. What is the machine IP? I think we don't have that yet. Yeah. We should have it now. Server. Yep. And then what is the username and the password? Title. Yeah. Username is Captain. The password is Jolly Roger. The domain, I don't know what the domain is, but let's try it. I think this is all we need. Yes. Yep. Oh, okay. Oh, am I gonna be using a domain? Can I log in with that one? Nope. I guess the domain needs to be the IP address. Not really. What's the domain going to be? I don't understand. Should be connected by now. Captain. And then Jolly Roger. Not working, not working. Okay, I mean, set another one. Quick connect, share group labels. The server is this one. The username is Captain. The password is just Jolly Roger. And then this one. The domain, we don't have no domain. Come on. Could not find the address for 10.156.234. What? Oh, it's probably because I've selected that one. So I want this one, Captain, and then I want to copy this. Yeah, connect. RDP server 10.156.234. What do you mean? Am I connected to the VPN? Access machines. Yeah, this one. What if I go here? Yeah, I'm connected. So what up? So yeah, a bubble will appear for different to unlock the securing. Click to cancel to ignore the prompt. Select the SSH option. Yeah, that's what I want, right? SSH option, and then oops. Okay, let's just assume SSH. This one here. Have I forgotten how to? And then what? In the very top number, finally click enter. Okay, enter. Connecting to. Okay, SSH credentials. Okay, so my credentials are Captain, and then Jolly Roger. Oh, what did I do? Damn it. Yeah, this one. Captain, Jolly Roger. Then okay. Should be able to Swift password, come on. Well, somehow it's not connecting. Jolly Roger the hash. Is it connecting now? Oh yeah, okay. Just have to type it in. Okay, launching PowerShell. PowerShell can be launched in several ways. Yeah, sure. Oh, I'm gonna place it here. Yeah, I guess that should work. Okay, PowerShell can be launched in several ways depending on your needs environment. If you're working in a Windows system from the graphical interface GUI, these are some possible ways to launch it. Start menu, type PowerShell in the Windows Start menu in the search bar, then click on Windows PowerShell or PowerShell from the results. Press Win plus R. Okay, this is if we're in Doggy, right? File Explorer, then PowerShell, Task Manager, open and go to File, run new task, type PowerShell, then press. PowerShell can be launched from a command prompt cmd.x by typing PowerShell. Okay, that's what we are gonna be trying to do. PowerShell. I've used PowerShell before, so it shouldn't be hard. Okay, we're in PowerShell. In our case, we only have access to target VM's command prompt, and this is the method we'll use. Okay, so we're in, right? After PowerShell has launched, we're presented with the PS, which stands for PowerShell prompt in the current working directory. Basic syntax, verb noun. As previously mentioned, PowerShell commands are known as commandlets. Pronounced commandlets, yeah, they are much more powerful than the traditional Windows commands and allow for more advanced data manipulations. Commandlets follow a consistent verb noun naming convention. Its structure makes it easy to understand what each commandlet does. The verb describes the action and the noun specifies the object on which the action is performed. For example, get content retrieves the content of a file and displays it in the console. Set location changes the current working directory. Basic cmdlets. Okay, to list all available commandlets, functions, aliases, and scripts that can be executed in the current PowerShell session, we can use get command. Okay, it's an essential tool for discovering what commands one can use. Ooh, there are plenty of them. Okay. For each command info object retrieved by the CMLet, some essential information properties is displayed on the console. It's possible to filter the list of commands based on displayed property values. For example, if we want to display only the available commands of type function, we can use, okay, so get command and then command type function. Okay. We will learn more efficient ways to filter output from commandlets in the upcoming tasks. Another essential commandlet to keep in our tool belt is get help. Okay. It provides detailed information about commandlets, including the usage, parameters, and examples. It's the okay. Okay, sorry. The music was not right. Now it is. Another essential commandlet to keep in the tool belt is get help. It provides detailed information about commandlets, including usage, parameters, and examples. It's the go-to commandlet for learning how to use PowerShell commands. Okay. So if we do okay, just give me some information about that one. Showing the results both, get help informs us that we can retrieve other useful information about the commandlet by appending some options to the basic syntax. For example, by appending examples to the command displayed above, which will be shown a list of common ways in which the chosen commandlet can be used. To make the transition easier for IT professionals, PowerShell includes aliases, which are shortcuts or alternative names for commandlets for many traditional Windows commands. Indispensable for users already familiar with other command line tools, get alias lists all aliases available. For example, there is an alias for get child item, and cd is an alias for set location. Oh, okay. I see. Where to find and download commandlets. Another powerful feature of PowerShell is the possibility of extending this functionality by downloading additional commandlets from online repositories. Please note that the commandlets listed in the section require a working internet connection to query online repositories. The attached machine doesn't have access to the internet, therefore these commands won't work in this environment. To search for modules, collection of commandlets in online repositories like the PowerShell gallery, we can use find modules. Sometimes if we don't know the exact name of the module, it can be useful to search for modules with a similar name. We can achieve this by filtering the name property and appending a wildcard to the module's partial name. Using the following standard PowerShell syntax. Once identified, the module can be downloaded. And installed from the repository with install module, making new commandlets contained in the module available for use. Makes sense, like importing a library. With these essential tools in our belt, we can now start exploring PowerShell's capabilities. How would you retrieve a list of commands that start with perf remove? How would I retrieve? Okay. Well, for the sake of this question, avoid the use of quotes. Or, okay, surfacing your answer. Makes sense. So I guess it would be like find module. How would you retrieve a list of commands? A list of commands, right? Get command minus name. Get command minus name. And then remove this. Is that it? Yeah. What command length has its traditional counterpart echo scenarios? Okay. I don't know. Yeah. Get command. And then is echo is an alias. I guess echo, right? Right output. Is that it? Yeah. What is the command to replace an example users for the CM new local user? Examples. Yeah. Here you mentioned something about them examples. Here. So it's gonna help. Gotta help, and then the command that we want, and then examples. Right? Give you some examples for the command. Get help, new local user, and then examples. Is that it? Let's check it out if it works. Looks like it worked. Yep. Navigating the file system and working with files with PowerShell. Okay. PowerShell provides a range of command lines for navigating the file system and managing files, many of which have counterparts in the traditional Windows CLI. Similar to the dir command in command prompt or ls in Unix-like systems, get child item lists the files and directories in the location specified with a path parameter. It can be used to explore directories and view their contents. If no path is specified, the command line will display the contents of a current working directory. Yeah, so let's see what we have here. Get child item. Okay. Navigate to a different directory. You can use the set location commandlet to change the current directory. Location, path, documents. Yeah, we moved. Well, the traditional Windows CLI uses separate commands to create and manage different items like directories and files. PowerShell simplifies this process by providing a single set of commands to handle the creation and management of both files and directories. To create an item in PowerShell, you can use new item. We will need to specify the path of the item and its type, whether it's a file or a directory. Okay. Create it. New item. Path. Captain Pavan. Captain Ward Group. Yeah. Then item type. Directory. Okay. Then what else do you want me to check out? Okay, this text file. So you've just created a new item, which is a folder, right? That's this name. Now we want to create a new file. Looks like this is going to be a text file. Captain, 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 Wardrobe. Yeah. And here, Captain, boots.txt. Item, type, file. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we created it. Similarly, the remove item command line removes both directories and files, whereas in Windows CLI we have separate commands like remove dir and del. Alright. Okay. Remove item, path, Captain, Captain, Captain. Oh no, I don't want this. I want a Captain Wardrobe. And then Captain Boots. Yeah. And then remove item, path, Captain, Cabin, Captain, Wardrobe. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, we can copy or move files and directories like using respectively copy item equivalent to copy and move item equivalent to move. Okay, I mean, I already know how to do this, come on. Find and read and display the contents of the file when we use get content commandlet, which works similarly to the type command in the command prompt or cat in Unix-like systems. Okay, what's commandlet can you use instead of the traditional Windows command type? You just mentioned it, get content. Next, what PowerShell command would you use to display the content of the C users? The content, right? Well, the content, I would use get children, right? So I would just get children, then path, and then I guess the directory, right? Pull them around. For the sake of this question, avoid the use of quotes. Okay. I was right. I just didn't have to use these quotes. Did what? Get children. I'll get child item. Get children. How many items are displayed by the command described in the previous question? Well, let's see. This time I do need to use quotes. How many did you ask? 4. Piping, filtering, and sorting data. Okay. Oh, okay. Piping is any using command line environment that allows the output of one command to be used as the input for another. This creates a sequence of operations where the data flows from one command to the next, represented by the symbol. Piping is widely, the pipe symbol, right? Piping is widely used in the Windows CLI, as introduced earlier in this module, as well as in Unix-based shells. In PowerShell, piping is even more powerful because it passes objects rather than just text. These objects carry not only the data, but also the properties and methods that describe and interact with the data. For example, if you want to get a list of files in a directory and then sort them by size, you can use the following commands in PowerShell. So get child item, and then you pipe them up with sort object, and then you want to sort them out by length. Is that it? Yeah. So, okay, sweet. Here, get child directories of files, you access objects, and the pipe sends those file objects to sort objects, which is going to be sorting them out, right? You can sort them by their length. Yeah, size property. This object-based approach allows for more detailed and flexible command sequences. Yeah, in this example above, we have leveraged the sort objects commandlet to sort objects based on specified properties. Beyond sorting, PowerShell provides a set of commandlets that, when combined with piping, allow for advanced data manipulation and analysis. Okay, that's sweet. Good to know. To filter objects based on specific conditions, returning only those that meet the criteria, we can use the where object commandlet. Yeah. For instance, to list only text files in a directory, we can use get child item, then we're gonna pipe them up, and then where object is property, the extension. Okay, so we're looking for them by extension is equal to txt. Yeah. Nothing showed up. Did I do something wrong? Okay, I was in Captain Cabin. So What was the command to move? What if I just cd into Captain Cabin? Yeah, that works. You know what? Okay, yeah, we get 3 files. Files, filters the files by their extension property, ensure that only files with extension equal to text are listed. The operator equal to is part of a set of comparison operators that are shared with other scripting languages. Bash, Python to show the potentiality of the PowerShell filtering. We have selected some of the most useful operators from the list. And E not equal, okay. GT greater than, okay. G greater than or equal to, okay. Less than or equal to, okay, makes sense. Below another example shows that objects can also be filtered by selecting properties that match minus like a specified pattern. Okay. Showing all of them. Property, yeah. We want to search them like by name this time. And the name has to be the bike, like similar to, I guess. Ship. Like ship. Is that it? Yeah, ship flag. Okay, we got it. The next filtering command, let's select objects used to select specific properties from objects or limit the number of objects returned. It's useful for refining the output to show only the details of one needs. Okay, select object. Okay, looks like we got it. The commandless function can be extended by adding more commands, as the feature is unlimited to just piping to commandlets. As an exercise, I can build a pipeline of commandlets to sort and filter the output with the goal of displaying the largest file in the C user's Captain directory. What do I have to do that? Select objects. In which directory? Get child item. In which directory to say? Oh, here. Users, Captain, documents, Captain, Cabin. Okay. I mean, I was already here anyways. The largest file. Okay. Yeah, click here to see a possible solution. Yeah, I'm interested in that. Oh, okay, so it's get child item, then do immediately. Oh yeah, it's because you don't have to specify, but you could also specify it, and then you don't want to select object, you want to sort object, right? And the object you're going to be sorting is by length, and then descending, okay? And then you add another pipe. Select the object, only the first one. Is that it? Ooh, what did we miss? Well, I guess we need to include the path. We're already here. What now? Oh, okay, sort object. Find sort object. Oh, I missed. Okay, now it only shows the largest file, right? The last in this set of filtering commandlets is select string. This commandlet searches for text patterns within files. Okay. Similar to grep in Unix-based systems or find str in Windows command prompts, it's commonly used for finding a specific content within log files or documents. Okay. Okay, you actually look for the text inside those text files. This one feature allows for complex pattern matching within files, making it a powerful tool for searching and analyzing text data. Okay, how you retrieve the items in the current directory with size greater than 100. Length, I guess length greater than GT. Is that GT? GT, yeah, greater than what? 100. For the sake of this question, avoid the use of quotes. Sort object. How would you retrieve the items with greater size than? Select, oh yeah, sort object by length. Okay, I don't know. Hey, I got confused. Get child item, then the pipe, then I only need one of them. Just gonna select object. The items, no. The current directory. Its size greater than 100. Okay, I guess it would be get child item, and then here select object, and then length minus GT 100. Is that it? No. Oh. Okay. But okay, get child item, then it's gonna be sort dash object, but select object then. Dash object. Let's do sort object. What else could it be? Select string? No. Select string doesn't look like it. Select object. What else do I have? Where object. Yeah, probably where object, right? Where dash object. Yeah. Right, pointing. So we're gonna do this. Where object, and then length is greater than 100. Yeah, I think that works. So let's try that. Where object oh, what did I do wrong? Child item. Then where object, then length minus GT 100 size is greater than 100. All these quotes, yeah, I'm not using any one. Where object, wait, if I just remove this. Okay. Where object, then do something here. If I inspect it. Okay. So we have that. Get child item, dash, and then where dash object. Then we have something here. Length GH. No, it can be length. But where are we looking from here?
In this house, the bass moves ya. With its funky lines, it grooves ya. While the kick drum drives ya. The hi-hat will jack ya. The percussion swings ya.
So,
and the chord stabs go on. In this house, we work all
so it can be get
we push ourselves on the floor. And the DJ
get
spins
child
the records right.
item
In this house, we
where
stay all
object
on
length
the beat and let it
I can do length. For object what? What are we looking for? How do you pick the items? But object? Is that right? The current directory with size greater than 100. In size minus GT and then 100. But what goes up before? LAN GTH. What is this one? This is where I'm getting confused. I have everything but this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 letters. 8 letters. think that's it. Dash property, and then length, and then minus GT 100. I think this is it. Let's see. Get child item where object dash property and then length minus GT 100. Yes, I got it right. Damn it. Okay, next one. On to the next. I gave you a bit of trouble, huh? PowerShell was created to address a growing need for a powerful automation management tool to help system administrators and IT professionals. Such, it offers a range of command lines that allow the retrieval of detailed information about system configuration and then working settings. The get computer info command line retrieves comprehensive system information. Okay. Get computer info. Yeah. Loading help batch information. Information including operating system hardware specification, BIOS details, and more. It provides a snapshot of the entire system configuration in a single command. Its traditional counterpart, system info, retrieves only a small set of the same files details. Okay. Okay, so this is a more extensive information command, I guess. Essential for managing user accounts and understanding the machine security configuration. Get local user list all the local user accounts in the system. Okay. Yeah, we have all. Okay, there's a pirate here. Careful. The default output displays for each user, username, account status, and description. Okay, similar to the traditional IP config command, the following two command lines can be used to retrieve detailed information about the system's network information. Get net IP config provides the information about the network interfaces in the system, including IP addresses, DNS servers, and gateway configurations. Should I be taking note of this? Probably, right? Okay. But you know what? I'm seeing in here real quick. What? Okay. Here's Obsidian. PowerShell. Right. And for instance, get net IP configuration. Applies information about the network. It says system. DNS servers. Okay, we got it. In case we need specific details about the IP addresses assigned to the network interfaces, the getNet IP, in case we need specific command line will show you details for all IP addresses configured in the systems. Give IT professional the ability to quickly access virtual system and network information directly from the command line, making it easier to monitor and manage both local and remote machines. Other than your current user and the default administrator account, yeah. What other user is enabled to enter the machine? It is pirate. There's a pirate. This lad has hidden his account among the others, with no regard for a beloved captain. What is the motto he has so bluntly put as his account's description? A merry life and a short one. Now, a small challenge to put it all together. This shady lad that we just found hiding among the local users has his own home folder in the C users directory. Can you navigate? Yeah. So if I go to DB pirate, yeah. The file, can you navigate the file systems and find the hidden treasure inside these pirates? The hidden treasure. Okay, looks like we found it. Type, we did not find a part of the find. Okay. Object not found. Can you find the hidden treasure? I guess I would have to use some kind of command to get string information. Maybe. What kind of? It's not directory. Oh, okay. Here. Oh, okay, we found it. 5. Okay, we got it. Oh no, it's gonna work. I just copy and paste it. Copy. Oh. PHM P34R LINASH3LL. Yeah. Real-time system analysis. Okay. Are we good on time? Yeah, we're good on time. Okay, to gather more advanced system information, especially concerning dynamic aspects like running processes, services, and active network connections, we can leverage a set of command lists that go beyond static machine details. Get process. Provides a detailed view of all currently running processes, including CPU and memory usage, making it a powerful tool for monitoring and troubleshooting. Okay, makes sense. Similarly, get service. Allows the retrieval of information about the status of services and machines, such as which services are running, stopped, or paused. It is used extensively in troubleshooting by system administrators. Yeah. But also by forensics analysts hunting for unknown all of the services installed in the system. Yeah. To monitor active network connections, get net TCP connection. Displays current TCP connections, giving insights into both local and remote endpoints. This command line is particularly handy during an incident response or malware analysis task, as it can uncover hidden backdoors or establish connections towards an attacker's control server. Okay. Now, what else? Additionally, we're going to mention get file hash. It's a useful command for generating file hashes, which is particularly valuable in incident response, threat hunting, and malware analysis, as it helps verify file integrity and detect potential tampering. Okay. Okay, rating file hashes. These command lines collectively provide a comprehensive set of tools for real-time system monitoring and analysis, proving especially useful to incident responders and threat hunters. In the previous task, you found a marvelous treasure carefully hidden in the target machine. Yes. What is the hash of the file that contains it? Okay. It's the hash, right? So I have get file hash, then path, and then big pressure. Big pressure. Is that it? I think so. Okay, well. If I'm not able to copy and paste this, I'm gonna kill this. Okay. What property retrieved by default by get? What property retrieved by default like get contains information about the person that has started that connection? I think I read this before. Try it again. Get net the connection. What property retrieved by default by this contains information about the process that has started the connection? What? Sorry, what? you're asking me what property? Contains information about the process that has started the connection. Contains information about the process that has started the connection. Add discipline connection. No. You're asking me for what property retrieved by default. Property. So this one. I don't even know what you're asking. Session creation time. Following process. Yes. Okay, it's time for another small challenge. Some vital service has been installed on this pirate ship to guarantee that the captain can always navigate safely. But something isn't working as expected, and the captain wonders why. Investigating, they find out the truth. At last, the survey has been tampered with. The shady lad from before has modified the service display name to reflect his very own motive. The same that he put in his user description. Can you find the service name? Can I find the service name? Get service, I guess. And then get service display name. Okay, get del, and then get service. What do we have? What do we get here? Get service. Something's not working. The captain was wrong. They found it at last. The service has been tampered with. So which service? The shady lad from before has modified the service display name. Okay. So if I go get service, and then reflect his very own motives. Okay, so if I go get service, display name, fire. Parameter should I pass it? Where is the display, sir? Display name, okay. To reflect his very own motor. This is the motor. So I guess I have to apply display name. And then I have to just what was the motor of these two? Speed pressure. What was his motor? How do I get all the users? Create user. Something local. Very life and short one. That's the one, the motor. Okay. So now we go to get service, display name, ordinary, life and outcome. Yeah. Okay. So the name, we got it. We got it. The name is Pirates Compass. Yeah. Scripting. This should be fun. Scripting is the process of writing and executing a series of commands contained in a text file, known as a script, to automate tasks that one would generally perform manually in a shell, like PowerShell. Simply speaking, scripting is like giving a computer a to-do list, where each line in the script is a task that the computer will carry out automatically. This saves time, reduces the chance of errors, and allows to perform tasks that are too complex or tedious to do manually. As you learn more about shells and scripting, you'll discover that scripts can be powerful tools for managing systems, processing data, and much more. Learning scripting with PowerShell goes beyond the scope of this room. Nonetheless, we must understand that its power makes it a crucial skill across all cybersecurity roles. For blue team professionals such as incident responders, malware analysts, and threat hunters, PowerShell scripts can automate many different tasks, including log analysis, detecting anomalies, and extracting indicators of compromise. These scripts can also be used to reverse engineer malicious code and automate the scanning of systems or signs of users. For the red team, including penetration testers and ethical hackers, PowerShell scripts can automate tasks like system enumeration, executing remote commands, and crafting obfuscated scripts to bypass defenses. Its deep integration with all types of systems make it a powerful tool for simulating attacks and testing systems' resilience against real-world threats. Staying in the context of cybersecurity, system administrators benefit from PowerShell scripting for automating integrity checks, managing system configurations, and securing networks, especially in remote or large-scale environments. PowerShell scripts can be designed to enforce security policies, monitor systems health, and respond automatically to security incidents, thus enhancing the overall security posture. Whether used defensively or offensively, PowerShell scripting is an essential capability in the cybersecurity toolkit. Yeah, facts. Before concluding this task about scripting, we can go without mentioning the invoke command line. Invoke command is essential for executing commands on remote systems, making it a fundamental for sysadmins, SEC engineers, and pen testers. Enables efficient remote management, combining it with scripting automation of tasks across multiple machines. It can also be used to execute payloads or commands on target systems, during an engagement by penetration testers or attackers alike. Let us discover some example uses for this powerful command led by consulting the help examples. The first two run a script on the server, run a command on the remote server. Yeah, the first two examples provide the help examples. Patient reported both are enough to grasp the simplicity of power of the invoke commandlet. The first example shows how the commandlet can be very easily combined with any custom script. to automate tasks on remote computers. The second example demonstrates that we don't need to know how to script to benefit from the power of invoke command. In fact, by appending the script block parameter to the CMD command-led syntax, we can execute any command or sequence of commands on the remote computer. The result would be the same as if we were typing the commands in a local PowerShell session on the remote computer itself. What is the syntax to execute the command get service on a remote computer named Royal Fortune? So you don't need to provide credentials to establish connections. For the sake of this question, avoid the use of codes. So which command do I want to execute? Get service on a remote computer, right? Assume I don't have to wait. So how long is this? Okay. So the first one has to be invoke command. Okay. Okay. Then the next one has to be get service. Because I don't have to come back to the row. I'm gonna look at your name, Royal Fortune. It's not this. Just also for the sake of this question, I'm going to use codes. Well, script lock. Okay, so that's also something. Yeah, invoke command. So it's gonna be invoke command. Then another thingy. Then this one is dash script dash cool lock. Yeah, so I'm missing just a couple. So invoke command with computer name. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's gonna be invoke command, and then I have to pass it that computer name. So it's computer name. And then the computer name is Royal Fortune. And then I have to pass the script block. What? And the script block is going to get service. Is that it? Yes. I got it. Okay, well done, Mattis. You successfully navigated the treacherous waters of PowerShell, covering hidden treasures and a local service to support the Black Pearl. With these tools in your belt, you are well equipped to explore even the most guarded corners of any Windows system. Remember, a true pirate never stops seeking treasure, so keep honing your skills and who knows what progress will discover in the next adventure. Until then, may your command list be sharp and your scripts swift. Fair winds and happy hunting. To continue building up your command line skills, proceed to Linux command line group. Up to the next module. Okay, what did you give me? 7 days straight please. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to actually finish it. Let's check this real quick. Which PowerShell? I have to enter machine. Terminate. Yeah, that's it. 60 minutes. Did it take me 60 minutes? Probably. Okay. Thanks for staying with me, guys. Until next.